Mumbai, the mega city of India, houses a mix of religions. Apart from Hindus, Mumbai has a concentration of Muslims, Zoroastrians, Christians, Jains and Buddhists. Religious conviction and secularism goes hand in hand in the city. Bringing before you an example of it is the city's Mahim Dargah, which has become a utopia of communal harmony.
Situated in the bustle of Mahim Bazaar in Mumbai, the dome mausoleum of Hazrat Makhdoom Ali Mahimi stands tall, overlooking Mahim Bay and the ramparts of Mahim Fort in its picturesque background. For centuries, this green and white structure has remained a beacon of communal harmony and brotherhood. The Dargah dons a special air of tranquility and peace when devotees coming from across faiths throng the shrine to pay their obeisance to the 14th century saint.
लोग तो हर कौम के आते ही रहते जुमेरात और इतवार को तो इतनी भीड़ रहती है कि पब्लिक को अंदर जाने के लिए 1 घंटा लगता है समझे कि नहीं। और बम्बई के बादशाह बोले जाते हैं पूरे बम्बई में बड़ी दरगाह यही है और इनका ही उर्स सब में भारी रहता है। हिंदुस्तान में सबसे ज़्यादा लोग यहीं आते हैं।
A flight of steps ending in an arched opening takes devotees inside the well-lit mausoleum, dominated by 2 large graves, that of Makhdoom Sahib in the middle and that of his mother to its left. It is not an unusual sight to see people of all faiths, both young and old, offering chadars at this holy dargah of this great Sufi saint. Many devotees believe that tying a sacred thread on the silver-coated railings present in the premises of this dargah can sanctify them and could fulfill their lifelong desires.
बाबा सबके लिए अच्छा ही करते हैं। हम लोगों को बाबा पे बहुत भरोसा है।
कितने सालों से आप आ रही हैं और क्या?
3-4 साल से आ रहे हैं हम लोग को। बहुत विश्वास है बाबा पे।
Hazrat Makhdoom Ali Mahimi was born in 1372 into a family of Arab travelers from Iraq who settled down on the island of Mahim, now known as Mumbai. He was the first commentator of the Holy Quran and Tafsir-e-Rahmani in India, which is unique among all the commentary of Quran known to scholars. He is revered by both Hindus and Muslims, and after his death in 1431, he was buried in Mahim, the site which later became a renowned dargah. Every year on the 13th day of Shawwal as per the Muslim calendar, annual Urs or Mahim Dargah Fair is organized in the memory of the saint, which is attended by a number of devotees across the globe, making it a platform of religious diversity.
Mahim Dargah is a platform of humanity. It's a symbol of communal harmony. यहाँ ऐसा है कि हर जेंडर का आदमी, every gender people are over here, every caste, every religion people, they come here and pay their respect. In fact, we have also had inter-religious faith people coming over here. We have different conferences held of different community. Now the new ideas what Mahim Dargah, since they are being a professional, 2007 they have achieved ISO certification, first Dargah in the world to get that time. So now we are contacting all the community people, different community people like Catholics are there, Buddhists are there, Jains are there, Sardajis are there. We are trying to make a platform for brotherhood also. So communal harmony plus brotherhood plus this place always take care of a human life, which they always say that is of paramount importance to us. So we take care of the security also. There are many other works what Mahim Dargah is doing, but the base of Mahim Dargah is humanity and communal harmony.
For ages, the Sufi saints like Makhdoom Ali Mahimi have propagated the message of spiritualism and harmony in our country. and their teachings are still playing a significant role in strengthening the thread of secularism.